Hey, welcome to Around the Table, our cocktail mocktail drinking series here at our YouTube channel, Lynn Manor Studios. We are here from the round table, and we are going to show you a wonderful, delicious, and quite frankly, it is definitely my weakness, the Kryptonite. I'm going to introduce to you Matt Blanc, who is our cocktail specialist, and he's going to show you exactly how to make a Kryptonite.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you how to make the Kryptonite. Now this one is definitely for those out there with a sweet tooth, as it is two pretty great liqueurs that we've got today for you. Yes. All right, let's flip over that view.
And it's green.
So again, starting out with your classic glass of ice, we're going to add two different things. We've got, today we have 1 ounce of sour apple sourpuss, as well as melon liqueur. So these two give you that nice green color, as well as a really, really nice sweet flavor. This is just a build up, really, really simple to make. You take your 1 ounce of melon, you take your 1 ounce of sour apple, pour them both in there. And then you're gonna top it off with your choice of lemon lime soda. We here use 7-Up. It is my personal favorite. I think it's way superior to Sprite in every single way, but that's just my opinion. All right, we're gonna top it up here.
Ooh. And the best part about it is,
give it a nice quick stir. You can do this with a straw or a bar spoon if you have either one sitting around. But what's really, really cool about this one is that you can switch out the different flavors of liqueur. If you want to make a red Kryptonite, for example, you can use sour raspberry sourpuss instead, and it gives it that nice bright red color.
It's got a very glowing green to it.
Perfect. Make sure to keep updated with this series as we go along. We've got tons of cool cooking videos coming at you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for all these videos. And we'll be back with more drinks and food from the round table here. All right, have a good one.